Hi everyone, Barbara here. Welcome back to Home Sweet Home. Today I've got something my husband Jim swears by, and trust me, when Jim swears by a thing, it's earned its keep. These are the NoCry professional work knee pads, and let me tell you why they matter around here. Jim has 2 prosthetic knees, so when I say these aren't just an accessory, they're the difference between a good day and a rough one, and I mean it. Right now, he's at our pond, and we are going to be laying some new stones, and these are going on before he kneels down on the hard ground. Here's what makes them special. Inside, there's a dual layer of gel and high-density foam that's just molds right around his knee and soaks up the impact all day long when he wears them for work. So no sore knees at supper time. That's a good thing. Now the straps. Both thigh and shin get their own adjustable strap. So these pads stay put. No sliding, no stopping every 5 minutes to yank them up. Jim hates fussing with gear, and these pass the gym test. The cap on the front is an anti-slip TPR, fancy way of saying it grips whatever you put it on. Wet stones, slick floors, you name it, it holds. And here's a little something that you don't see on every pair. Actual ankle support. Extra stability equals less pressure, so long kneeling sessions don't leave your ankles aching from trying to support your knees. Jim's a paint contractor. He owns his own business, so he's on the floor constantly hanging wallpaper, cutting and trim. These are going straight into his work toolkit, and with a lifetime warranty behind them, I have a feeling they'll outlast his patience for me recording these great decorating ideas that I have. So if you've got knees worth protecting, and you know we all do, give these a look. Thanks for stopping by my Home Sweet Home. And a quick note before you go, as an Amazon influencer, I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Give Jim a pond wave, and I'll see you next time.